I'm at Fishing Rock State Park, just north of Depot Bay. And I think this is a potentially awesome spot for our wedding. This is the first views we get at the beach. This is walking up to a viewpoint. Nice trees, gorgeous view, but it gets better. So I'm gonna take this trail. I met these guys, these older guys a few minutes ago who kind of showed me around. He, I guess, lives around here. He was with his buddy and showed me this spot down this trail. So I already was down there and I walked back up, but I'm just walking down so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's really beautiful. Won't be hard for anybody to walk down. There's a fork in the road. I'm gonna go to the left. He said that the right is where you go to beach access. And oh, these guys are coming, so you'll probably see them. So we're going this way, around the bend, under the trees. It's really beautiful. It's a gorgeous day. Just wait till you see the view. Alright, here it comes. This is freaking awesome. Oh wait, here, I'm gonna pop off to the right here and give you a little peek. Okay, there's a little peek. Okay, I heard those guys coming up, so we'll probably run into them. Okay, here's first. Whoa, right? Freaking awesome. Beautiful view. Taking video. Have a good day, guys. Those are those guys. And look at this. It's grassy, so it wouldn't be quite as messy. And there's nobody here. Perfect spot. We could lay down quilts for people to sit on. And the view is just, I mean, whoa. So the guy was telling me that all of this, it's eroding. So over time, this will go away. Oh, there's one girl over there. I thought a video would be better to give you an idea of what it's like. This is at low tide, and it's a pretty still day. He said on a windy day, it can be, get this north wind. It could be kind of, I don't know, windy. Down that way is Fogarty. He said that it can be kind of sketchy sometimes, and it's not that nice and that a lot of people hang out there. So at least with this place, we would have a little bit more privacy. And the grass is really comfortable, it's soft. So I'm just going to walk over this way, show you the view. We actually, when I was talking to the guys, we jumped this fence. But all this used to be a path across, but I guess it eroded a couple of years ago. So it's not there anymore. I'll take you out this way. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Just amazing. So this is about, it's about 10 minutes, maybe 12 minutes south of where I live, my house. And I really, oh, there's a family over there. I think the spot is just absolutely beautiful. So, there you go. We can come check it out, maybe, when you're here. I hope you like it. It's my first choice so far. Alright, I'm gonna go home so I can Skype with you now.